Welcome to Quartz Smart Investing. I'm Merrill Brown. Our guest today is Nicole Webb, Senior Vice President and Financial Advisor at Wealth Enhancement Group. Nicole, thank you for joining us.
Yeah, I'm excited to be here.
The S&P is up nearly 18% this year, but you're seeing a slow fall season ahead. Why the skepticism?
Absolutely. So I think what's most interesting and where investors are rightfully confused is there's been this differentiation between the actual market experience and then all the economists speak and the bond market speak. So dialing that all back, what we see is we don't see earnings revisions ticking up for 2024. And why is that important? Well, it kind of indicates, given all the economic surprises to the upside that we've seen, that the market never priced in what the bond market and the speaking heads, the economists were screaming so loudly, which is risk off, recession is coming. So again, when you look at these economic surprises, when you see earnings beats the way that we are continuing to see, but we're not seeing revisions for 2024, that leads us to say, well, it was already in there. And so it makes the road ahead, given what we've experienced in the first half of 23, much more difficult.
So what of the recession that you see perhaps still coming, but a rather limited one?
Yeah, we really do. We see a slowing, a gradual and steady slowing, and we see a Fed that is not pivoting anytime soon. And so when we think about the market and we think about the Magnificent Seven, call it these top 8 that are making up about 30% of the market returns or the market cap, they are very closely tied to interest rates. And so the further and further we push out the likelihood of rate cuts, and the further and further we go into this story of reinflation or goods inflation kind of coming back to some degree in the second half, we start to worry about some of the slipping, and we're seeing it in the Apples, the Microsofts over the last trading week already. So we either need kind of this robust pickup from the other 490 companies on the S&P, or one should expect that we see a slowing in the market coming into the end of the year.
Next, Nicole Webb on where and when to look for real buying opportunities in the stock market.